Freedom is what we're born to look for. What if you had your own cameraman to record every memorable moment? Meet OBSBot Tail, the smart robotic cameraman and director. OBSBot Tail is the world's first auto-director AI camera powered by an AI chip that can process up to an astonishing 5 trillion flops. It enables you to be your own actor, director, and cameraman all at the same time. Tell OBSBot Tail who to track? Or let it choose by itself. OBSBot Tail, its unique and powerful AI tracking technology, moves the camera head automatically to track your movement. The Power Gesture feature lets you use different gestures to control OBSBot Tail. OBSBot Tail extracts your memorable moments automatically. OBSBot Tail delivers 4K 60 FPS videos and is capable of recording up to 240 FPS so that you can shoot nearly all types of time-lapse videos. It has a superior quality 1/2.3-inch Sony CMOS sensor and a set of 10 advanced lenses, with 4 of them being Hoya aspheric lenses. OBSBot Tail is also the first camera to have a 3-axis PTZ system supporting a physical 360-degree panning. OBSBot Studio is a powerful free app that lets you do cool things like have multiple shooting ratios and use vertical shooting mode. Use mirroring to show the real-time inversion video so that it's easier for you to learn how to dance. Add synchronization filters. OBSBot Tail will become your smart, AI-enabled cameraman who films your life seamlessly. OBSBot Tail. Be your own director.
Hi guys, my name is Johnson and I'm a partner here at Remotech. We created OBSBot Tail with our series of patent technologies which are first time to be seen in the world. It opens up a new category in the imaging industry and allows anyone to be their own director without asking for help from anyone else or holding the camera and fixing the angles all the time. We believe cameras with new functions and forms will become an essential part in our daily self-expressing and communication. We're very excited for the possibility of revolutionizing the way how we record and make videos, as well as the way how we socialize. Our philosophy here at OBSBot is simple: to empower both amateurs and professionals to truly write on their creativity via visual format in a simpler and ultra-light way, and to record life and the world around to share and open dialogues across boundaries. Now, you don't need a bulky and complicated DSLR anymore. Also, unlike mobile phones and action cameras, OBSBot Tail is a smart, intuitive, powerful, and hand-free tool for anyone to be their own director. We hope you find it as seamless and powerful as we do. After 2 years of development of this product, we really hope you can support us and bring this fantastic product into your life.
This is SwitchPod, a minimal, versatile, handheld tripod designed specifically for filming videos or taking photos on the go. Quickly switch from a handheld grip to a tripod and then back again, in just seconds. It's super slim, and it easily fits into your bag. Or just clip it on instead. SwitchPod is built to last. It's made with an aluminum alloy, not plastic, so it will hold whatever camera, lens, and accessories you put on top of it. Yet, it only weighs 11 ounces, or 315 grams. That's less than your morning mug of coffee, minus the coffee. Here's how it works. First, attach your camera with the tightening knob, or attach any ball head, quick release system, or phone adapter. Next, grip the handle wherever you'd like. If you need to choke up or switch hands, no problem. To set it down, just swing the legs open. Or if you want to be fancy, try it with one hand. When you're ready to pick it back up, bring the legs back together. The tools you use to create shouldn't get in the way of you creating. That's why we created the SwitchPod.
Hey there, I'm Pat Flynn.
And I'm Caleb Wojcik, and as video creators, we've been frustrated by the options that are out there for putting our cameras on tripods. They're clunky and inconvenient and just kind of annoying. So we came up with the idea for SwitchPod because we knew there had to be a better way. Something that's lightweight but strong, something that's not too big or obnoxious or hard to hold, and something that's fun and quick to use.
And over the past year, we've been designing, prototyping, and testing several versions of the SwitchPod. And at every stage, we've shown prototypes to several video creators, YouTubers, vloggers, filmmakers, and creators like us to get feedback and make this thing great.
So we finalized version 1.0, this one right here, and we're ready to manufacture the first bigger batch. But that's where we need your help. We've invested our own money up front so far, but to launch this thing at scale and to get the tooling made to manufacture a bunch of these, that's why we're here on Kickstarter.
So if you want to help bring the SwitchPod to life, pre-order yours today. Thanks again, and we're excited to see how you use it. Make the switch.
Switch it up.
Flip the switch.
Switch gears.
Switch it again.
Switch it real good.
Oh gosh, that's so bad.
No,
No, we're gonna lose people. Or get people, maybe.
or infringe on copyright.
Let's take that out.
Whether you have an iPhone X or iPhone XS, Authy creates new possibilities for fun and high-quality photography. There are 3 different types of double, macro, telephoto, and fisheye. Telephoto and wide-angle lenses to meet your different shooting needs. This is Authy Lens Case. Makes your fun moments more special. The 186-degree fisheye and 2x telephoto lenses allows you to greatly extend your optical zoom range. You're never too old to make new discoveries. Use the 10x macro lens and 20x super macro lens to get extreme close-up detail. Capture more and extend the range of your iPhone's camera with the 120 wide angle and 2x telephoto lens. Telephoto to help take photos of objects from far distance without you having to get too close to your subject. The aluminum alloy case perfectly protects the lens set and makes outdoor shooting more secure. It is easy to use and can be opened or closed with just one touch. The different functions of the 3 groups of lenses can be switched at any time, easily. There are even extra functions for lens case. The case has an e-card holder, convenient to putting cards in daily life. Additionally, there is a pressure-activated support that lets you watch videos easily. It is stylish additions to your active lifestyle. The soft cases are made of high-quality leather with only 27 grams, surrounding your iPhone with a protective and comfortable cushion.
This is Pivo. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. Pivo can follow you as you move,
We always start with sanding.
with both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian! Not the right movie. Pivo partnered with Restream, so whatever you shoot, with Pivo you can go live on over 30 platforms at once, so all your followers can enjoy your sock. Pivo has a lot of quick creation modes. This is Versus Mode. Good for rap battles.
My name drops in, you can kiss my feet.
Yo, whatever.
But also for this.
I'm here with my boo.
Who's that guy?
What guy?
This is Mini-Me. For a shot with Mini You. Even a view coming to hug you but being blocked by you while you look at the entire thing laughing. Man, you're a jerk to you. This is a mode called Perfect Panorama. You know, so there's no this. Ouch. This is Double Take. For videos of everyday bummers, or for when you want to express how you feel about your diet. This is Flash mode. Go long, Sylvester. And this is 50-50, where 50% of the screen is still, 50% video, and 100% nice. And there's also Tiny Planet and Motion Time-Lapse. It's time-lapse, but with motion. Move it, people. And with the Pivo tray, you can use turntable mode for 360 product shots or to lick ice cream evenly. Pivo can work by snapping your fingers, saying cheese, with a remote, and of course with the app, because it's smart, like you. Pivo is for YouTubers, speakers, comedians, wannabe comedians, content creators, photographers, sock puppets, wannabe sock puppets, and just people. Now it's up to you. Get Pivo. Be creative. Insanely creative.